Hello guys, welcome to you all. My name is Deepak Dubey. I am a student of BBDEC final year, branch is computer science. My project is multi-user chat server application. This project is made under Saroj Singh ma'am, assistant professor of BBDEC Lucknow. For making that project, I am using three classes. First is chat client, second is chat server, third is private chat. Chat client is mainly used for group chatting and private chat is mainly used for personal chat from one person to another person. Chat server is mainly used for servicing from every client like as group or personal. Now let's start to understand how to this project will run. So now come into the chat server classes and start to the server. So one time server will start, then this types of message will show on your box server started. Now come into the chat client.java class and again run to that program. So one chat window will be open where name of user will required, like I am write Savas and click on start chat. Then one chatting window will be open. If again one more client will be open and I am writing the name of Hamza and click on start chat. Again same procedure have done and again click on run button and again one chat window will be open, that's name is Ramesh and click on start chat. So now three window will be open. First is Ramesh, not third is Ramesh, second for Hamza and first for Savas. Now you are seeing that all messages here. If Savas is want to communicate with Hamza, then write something like that, hi you all and click on send button. That message from Savas bhai, hi you all, that message is show in remaining two chat box also. So now if Hamza is replied for Savas, so again write something like his hi and click on send. That hi message from Hamza side that show in every chat box. If Hamza is want to communicate with Ramesh with personal message, then click on Ramesh on double click, then open like as Windows something like that. And if from Hamza side send message to Ramesh like as what is going on by and click on send button, that automatically from Hamza side to Ramesh side that message will come, what is going on by. So Ramesh is reply only studying. That message will come into the from Ramesh side to Hamza sides. Here in the topmost corner one button is seen, that's a logout. If any person click on logout, then come out from the come out that chatting frame, come out from chatting phase, click on logout like a Savas, then Savas is goes from that chat environments, like as if Hamza is click on logout, then Hamza is also gone out, and if Ramesh is also. So now thanks for